Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. In this video, we continue south on US Highway 61 as we enter the city of Red Wing, where we'll be throughout the entirety of this video. The city was named for a 19th century Dakota Sioux chief and formed in 1889 around an Indian reservation, now the Prairie Island Indian Community. The National Trust for Historic Preservation placed Red Wing on its 2008 Distinctive Destinations list because of its impressive architecture and enviable natural environment. One of the first ski clubs in North America was formed in Red Wing in 1887. The Aurora Ski Club members introduced the Red Wing style ski techniques based on the Norwegian telemark skiing form. Red Wing was once home to Hamline University, founded in 1854 as the first institution of higher education in the state of Minnesota. The Red Wing pottery and stoneware industry began in 1861 when county potter John Paul discovered the large glacially deposited clay pits on the northwest side of the city close to Hay Creek. The first commercial pottery company, Red Wing Stoneware, was founded in 1877. The Minnesota Correctional Facility, Red Wing, is housed in the former Minnesota State Training School built in 1889. The institution was the subject of Walls of Red Wing, a folk song by American singer-songwriter Bob Dylan. Red Wing Shoes was founded here in 1905. By the beginning of World War I, the company was producing 200,000 pairs of boots per year and was the primary manufacturer for footwear for American soldiers during the war. A sign here announces the Cannon Valley Trail, which follows the Cannon River along the abandoned Chicago Great Western Railway tracks. Red Wing is the eastern terminus of the trail. On the left is Old West Main Street, which is an example of one of the few places where US 61 deviates from its original route in Minnesota. US 61 followed Old West Main until the 1950s, when a wider, straighter route was cut through this part of town. We stopped at this Quick Trip to refill the washer fluid in the coffee cups. Sorry for the interruption. Red Wing is a very tourism-oriented community, with various bed and breakfasts and hotels in the nearby Treasure Island Casino and Resort. Red Wing is right on the Mississippi River, and there are 3 marinas with boat rentals and access to the river. The historic downtown Main Street area offers shopping for all ages. The Red Wing Shoes flagship store is located here, as well as the mom-and-pop Scandinavian shop. In town are the Alivio Military Museum, the American Ski Jumping Museum, the Goodhue County History Center, the Pottery Place Museum, the Red Wing Marine Museum, and the Red Wing Shoes Museum. Throughout the year, the town hosts various festivals and live music. We conclude today's video at a junction with US Highway 63. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.